Well, welcome back again, everybody. Are you ready to put the floor in? Because I certainly am. As you can see, I gave my ugly twin the day off so I could get this finished up with you guys. So yeah, all we got left to do now is the floor and the rest of the accessories. So before we get started putting the floor in, we've got a few little holes that have to be taken care of, so we're going to fix those first. There's a little tear right here. We're going to get all that stuff fixed up first, and then we'll put the floor in. So now that we've got the floor all patched up and those little holes, let's get the sides all cleaned up now and get them ready to be glued into place. I did do a little off-camera cleaning here because this would be a 10 video repair thing if I included all the epoxy removal. See, I almost got it all out, but this is just the stuff that's just going to flake off down the road. I'm not worried about that. But she's all cleaned up. Now we just got to get rid of the old glue that they used to put the floor in. Get this all removed here and cleaned up. And get the last little bit of cleaning done here so we can get this boat ready to go back in the water. So now that we've got the floor all cleaned up and ready to be installed, and she's all cleaned up, taped off on the tubes here, we could do the glue application now. A little off-camera stuff that we did here was remove those speed tubes and delaminated them a little bit more so we could get the layout all taped up properly so the floor goes in straight. Okay, so now that the floor is all installed now, I'm going to flip the boat over and get these bottom caps installed here on the corners of the transom and also the front bow cap. See, I've got brand new ones all cut out and all prepped and sanded, ready to be installed. Just got to be cleaned up, this one here. Put some polish on it. But yeah, we'll get this stuff cleaned up and... Alright, so now that everything has quieted down in the shop here, as you can see, I've got these corner caps all taped off. And also on the front here. And so you got all that stuff taped off, getting ready to start to do the glue application. But I'm just going to clean them up a little bit more, sand them down a bit, use the Dremel, get rid of some of this gunk that's still around those areas, and the cleaner the surfaces, the better the bond. So let's get going, because sitting around isn't going to get this boat finished. going to call it on this video. I already got enough hours in it today. Getting tired. I'm going to go to bed. But on the next video, we're going to finish doing all the installation of the accessories on the transom. Going to install the keel. And then we're going to flood the boat to see if she's going to leak water. So yeah, make sure you hit that like button if you are enjoying this stuff that that I'm all doing for you guys. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you go watch all the previous videos, the part 1 and the part 2 on this boat. See exactly how we got this far. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And remember, everybody, it ain't work if it's something that you love to do. So yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe and happy boating. We will see you on the next video.